Hey guys, Liz here from the Nail Hub, and today I'm going to show you how to use Light Elegance P Plus Flat Matte Top Coat. This is Light Elegance P Plus Flat Matte Top Coat from the Light Elegance P Plus Gel Polish line. All of the P Plus products are soak off, including their top coats, so this is a great option for people wanting the ability to soak off the product instead of having to constantly file off and backfill. Flat matte turns any nail from shiny into a beautiful flat finish. This nail was previously finished with Drama Queen's gel color and P Plus no wipe top coat. But I'm going to apply flat matte on half of this nail so you can see the difference in the finish. To use flat matte, all you need to do is apply a thin amount over the entire surface that you want to turn into a matte finish. And then you're going to cure this in your lamp for 60 seconds. After you're done curing, you're going to cleanse the nail with a wipe and Light Elegance cleanser. After you let the nail completely dry, you'll notice that flat matte has a beautiful matte finish. You can see I get a perfect application with no streaking or unevenness, even when applying flat matte over a clean, dry nail. Using both of these top coats in the same surface is a really fun way to play around with texture. You can create everything from matte nails with shiny polka dots to different textured French. Don't be afraid to mix and match different top coats within the same surface to create a lot of variety amongst all of the color options you own. Light Elegance isn't your typical gel polish company. They're actually made right here by a family-owned business in the United States. With a focus on high-quality ingredients, they actually offer something that most gel companies don't. They offer a gel that is actually hypoallergenic, which means it not only helps prevent nail allergies, but it's also a great option for people who might already be suffering from a nail allergy. This is a wonderful professional line that has provided quality to salon services for decades, and it's also something that you can get certified to use through my Level 1 course, right on thenailhub.com. Now, I'm a big advocate for choosing a high quality brand to work with, and product knowledge is important to understand how to get the value out of each individual product you invest in. But the true difference between mediocre nails and excellent nails really comes down to your skill set. Want to take your nail experience to the next level? Check out my premium nail education platform, thenailhub.tv. Think of it as your ad-free Netflix for nails, where I deep dive into how to improve your nail skills as well as help you troubleshoot your issues with customized member-requested videos. You get curated nail education that helps you go beyond just product-specific knowledge and master your craft. All levels are welcome. All right, guys, there you have it. Now you know how to use Light Elegance P Plus Flat Matte Top Coat, as well as you have access to the videos that I've uploaded to show you all the different top coat options that are available in the P Plus line. Check out my library here on YouTube to get more acquainted with the Light Elegance product line, and I'll be in touch with another video soon. Bye, guys.